Patrymau iaith, diwrnod 7. Corwen a Llangollen. Mynediad. Day 7 language patterns. Your day in Corwen and Llangollen uses units 23 to 27 of the Mynediad course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from the units. Rhif 1. Rhaid. Must. Rhaid is a form of bod, to be, where you must be doing something. It's different to a command where you are instructing someone to do something. Rhaid I mi gerdded. Does dim rhaid I mi gerdded. Oes rhaid I mi gerdded? Oes. Nac oes. Rhaid I ti. Does dim rhaid I ti. Oes rhaid I ti? Oes. Nac oes. Rhaid iddo fo. Rhaid iddi hi. Does dim rhaid iddo fo. Does dim rhaid iddi hi. Oes rhaid iddo fo? Oes rhaid iddi hi? Oes. Nac oes. Rhaid I Edward. Rhaid i'r plant. Does dim rhaid I Edward. Does dim rhaid i'r plant. Oes rhaid I Edward? Oes rhaid i'r plant? Oes. Nac oes. Rhaid I ni. Does dim rhaid I ni. Oes rhaid I ni? Oes. Nac oes. Rhaid I chi. Does dim rhaid I chi. Oes rhaid I chi? Oes. Nac oes. Rhaid iddyn nhw. Does dim rhaid iddyn nhw. Oes rhaid iddyn nhw? Oes. Nac oes. Rhif 2. Mynd I. Mynd at. What's the difference? Some verbs, for example, mynd, to go, can be followed by different prepositions. For example, I or at with mynd, to create different meanings. Mynd plus I plus place. Mynd plus at plus person. For example, mynd i'r meddygfa. Go to the doctor's surgery. Mynd at a doctor. Go to the doctor. Rhif 3. Cyn. Ar ôl. What's the difference? In English, the words before and after give a sense of order of things. Cyn, before. Ar ôl, after. These two words are often followed by the preposition I, which is changed to include different people. I mi, I ti, iddo fo, iddi hi, i Edward, i ni, i chi, iddyn nhw. And this use of e causes a mutation in the following word. Cyn I mi fynd, before I go. Ar ôl I mi fynd, after I go. Notice the lack of yn in this pattern. It is relatively straightforward, but links with a number of different patterns and causes mutations, which can take some practice to use in speech. Rhaid I ti dacluso'r ystafell cyn I ti fynd. You must tidy the room before you go. Ar ôl I mi adael, mi es I syth adra. After I left, I went straight home. Cyn iddo fo fynd i'r gwely, mi wnaeth o ddweud nos da. Before he went to bed, he did say good night. Rhif 4. Mae, ydy, oedd, ddydd, with sut, lle, pryd, pwy, beth, faint. The question words sut, lle, pryd, pwy, beth, faint have been used since early on in the course and are probably used fairly naturally. But there's a little bit of rule that has been avoided. In the present tense, sut, lle and pryd are followed by the word mae. Sut mae'r tywydd? Lle mae'r car? Pryd mae'r cyfarfod? Be, beth, faint and pwy are followed by the word ydy. Be ydy dy enw di? Faint ydy'r bil? Pwy ydy'r tiwtor? In the past, all these question words are followed by oedd. Sut oedd y tywydd? Faint oedd y bil? In the future tense, all these question words are followed by fydd. Sut fydd y tywydd? Faint fydd y bil? Rhif 5. Mae'r, mae na. Specific and non-specific. Think about the meaning of the two different questions in English. Is there coffee on the table? And is the coffee on the table? Is there coffee on the table? You are asking about there being some coffee on the table. Is the coffee on the table? You are asking about a specific cup of coffee that perhaps someone has made for you. Being non-specific, you are not talking about a specific item. Is there coffee on the table? Oes na goffi ar y bwrdd? Oes, ma na goffi ar y bwrdd. Nac oes, does na ddim coffi ar y bwrdd. This example is not specific. Oes na. Is there? Mae na. There is. Does na ddim. There isn't. The na causes a mutation in the following word. Being specific. You are talking about a specific item. Is the coffee on the table? Ydy'r coffi ar y bwrdd? Ydy. Mae'r coffi ar y bwrdd. Nac ydy. Dydy'r coffi ddim ar y bwrdd.